In this video, we'll be looking at how to use the RepairDesk Forms feature in our software. Let's begin. RepairDesk Forms allow you the flexibility to customize your workflow as you see fit. Have your customers fill out key details in the order that you want to get the information you need. Create professional-looking custom forms with no coding. Use it on your website or in your repair shop to capture leads or create repair tickets. Suitable for mail and repair, repair depots, warranty repair, appointment scheduling, self-check-in, and inquiry forms. Let's start by going to the menu in the top right corner and selecting Integrations. Then, click on the Widgets tab and select RepairDesk Forms. You'll now be brought to the RepairDesk Forms page, where you can begin creating your new form by clicking on the New Widget Flow button, entering your form's name, and clicking on Save. Now, a drawer will pop open, allowing you to start building your form. On the top, you'll find areas where you can copy the link and the embed code for your form to place on your website. Below that, you can use the form to either create a ticket or a lead by selecting from the options above. Once you've chosen from either option, click on the drop-down box below to add a new step to the form, and select the options you'd like to add from your chosen step. Then click on Save. You can add as many steps to the workflow as required. When you're done adding all your steps, click on the Save button at the bottom. This will save our new form. Now, let's copy the link from the page and open it up in a new window to go through our newly created form. Using the form, your customer can fill out all the details required by your workflow and submit them to your store. When they're done with the process, they will be given an ID based on whether the form creates a ticket or a lead, and you'll see the exact same ID reflected in your store's records. That concludes our tutorial on how to use RepairDesk Forms. Thanks for watching.